In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about how much Webflow costs, breaking down the various pricing plans it offers for both site and workspace options. Whether you're just starting out or considering scaling your projects or business, understanding these plans can help you make an informed decision. Webflow offers a range of pricing structures tailored to different user needs, from individuals experimenting with the platform to large-scale enterprises. First, let's delve into the site plans. Webflow provides several tiers here, each catering to specific demands. For starters, there's the free plan. It's a fantastic option if you're looking to test the waters. This plan lets you explore the platform's capabilities and is suitable for creating small, non-CMS websites if you're not in need of advanced functionalities just yet. However, if you're aiming to build simple sites that have limited pages and low traffic without the need for CMS features, the basic plan could be the right fit. It doesn't include CMS capabilities, but it's perfect for straightforward sites. Moving up a notch, we have the CMS plan. This plan is designed for content-driven websites, like blogs, where managing content is pivotal. It offers CMS functionality and can handle increased traffic, giving you room to grow as your content attracts more visitors. Next in line is the business plan, which caters to larger sites that anticipate higher traffic volumes. Not only does it offer everything in the CMS plan, but it also includes unlimited form submissions, which is invaluable for engaging and interacting with your audience. For those venturing into online commerce, Webflow offers a range of e-commerce plans. You have the standard, plus, and advanced tiers, each providing different levels of features to fit your e-commerce needs. These plans are tailored to help you run a successful online store with functionalities that scale as your business grows. Finally, for large organizations with very specific needs, Webflow provides an enterprise plan with custom pricing. This is particularly suited for those requiring tailored solutions and distinct support. Switching over to workspace plans, let's start with the free plan. It's ideal for individuals who are just getting started with Webflow. You can begin exploring and using the platform without any financial commitment, which can be a great way to familiarize yourself with all that Webflow has to offer. As you need more collaborative features, you might consider the core plan. Designed for in-house teams, this plan starts at $19 per month per seat when billed annually, offering more features tailored for teamwork. For growing teams and agencies, the growth plan steps in. It not only provides additional seats, but also expands on the features available, starting at $49 per month. Finally, for large teams with more complex needs, Webflow offers custom pricing options. This ensures you can get exactly what you need to support your growing team without paying for unnecessary extras. So, there you have it. A comprehensive overview of Webflow's pricing plans, structured to help you choose the best fit for your personal or organizational needs. Whether you're just beginning your digital journey or scaling your enterprise operations, Webflow has a plan to suit you.